Hello friends, welcome to Global Tech Learn. In this video, we will practice Power BI PL 300 exam question related to reduce the Power BI model size that contains temperature data at the minute level. The question is you have a Power BI model that contains sensor data from 500 sensors that return temperature reading each minute. Your reporting requirements include the calculation and display of the average temperature from each sensor at every hour. The reports do not show the raw data for each minute. You need to reduce the size of the model to improve the performance. What should you do? So now before going into options, let's understand the requirement. So as per the given case, we have temperature data at each minute level in the data model. That means in a date and time field, we have minute level timestamp, and from this data, we have to plot a report that should have average temperature for each hour. So that means we need to aggregate the data by hour level to calculate average. So now let's look at the options. The first option is add a report filter for the hour column. This will not help as we want to achieve the average. So by adding a filter on hour will not help to achieve this average requirement, and also by adding filter on the visual will not reduce the model size. So this option will not work. The next option is create visuals that group the data by hour. This option will work to plot the analysis as we need to group the data by hour level to achieve the average, but this will not achieve the second requirement, that is improve the performance by reducing the model size. So this option we can also ignore. The third option is remove the rows that contains reading. This option will also not work as we need the temperature reading to calculate the average. And the last option is use Power BI model to group the sensor data by hour. So this means we need to aggregate the data in Power BI query editor itself to reduce the data model size and calculate the average at the hour level. So this option will work. So let's try this option in Power BI. So here in Power BI we have temperature data, and there we can see we have sensor, and under sensor we have list of all the sensors. Then we have date and time. There we can see we have data till second level. Then after date and time we have temperature that we need to aggregate to achieve the average by hour. So now let's try to aggregate this data. But before aggregate this data, first we need to remove the minutes and seconds from the date and time field. So for that, let's add one column. And here we want to extract only date and then hour from the available field. So let's extract that. And here we can see this sample looks correct. So let's select this, and this will return us only the hour, and the minutes and seconds has been round off. So let's hit the OK. And now we can see we are getting date along with the hour. And now let's click on the OK. Now let's rename this field. And now let's aggregate this data based on this new field. So let's go to the home, and then let's click on the group data. And here we need to select advanced as we want to aggregate based on the multiple fields. And here let's select the sensor, and thereafter we need date hour, and under measures we need average temperature, and that should be average of the temperature field. And let's click on the OK. Now we have aggregated data, and now let's click on the OK. Now let's try to create an analysis as per the given requirement. So for that, let's add one matrix. And in analysis, we need average of the temperature for each hour for the sensor. So first let's add the sensor. And after sensor, we need date and time. So let's add date and time as well. And under date and time, we just need the date at the hour level. So let's select that. And then finally we need average temperature. So let me zoom it. And now here we can see for sensor 1 we are getting date, and in time we can see we are getting only hour, and for each hour we are getting average temperature. So with this we are able to achieve the analysis, and also we have reduced the model size by aggregating the data at the hour level. So now let's go back to our question, and here option D is the correct